How to enable display object tags option on TikTok. So first of all, launch TikTok on your mobile devices. Once you come here, go to your profile. Go ahead and select the hamburger icon at the top right. From here, go to Settings and Privacy. From here, scroll down below and under Content and Display, you'll see Playback option. Tap on it. Now over here, you'll see the option of Display Object Tags. So if you turn on the toggle for this option, when you pause a post, TikTok's AI product will automatically identify objects in the selected area and display relevant tags. So for example, let's go back and then go to Home. If your TikTok app is updated to its latest version, pause a certain video, you'll see the option of Find Similar on your screen. So if you tap on it, all you would have to do is scan any of the item. Once you scan an item, that specific item or similar videos with that similar product or item will be shown. So that's how simply you could enable display object tags on your TikTok account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.